In this video, we're gonna see how to build SaaS MVPs fast using this tool called Lovable. So basically, Lovable is just a no-code slash low-code tool to build AI with chat prompt. So basically, when you go on lovable.dev, this is the website, and you can start with a simple. You can enter a simple prompt to describe what you want to build. If you want to build a landing page, a blog, a web app, or whatever. So here on the main page, we have some templates. So for different purposes. So we have ecom, we have landing page, we have blog, portfolio, we have event platform here. Also, here we have some apps that were built using Lovable, so you can have some inspiration here, and you can start without having to code everything yourself. So I'm gonna log in on my account, and we're gonna see what the dashboard looks like. So now I'm logged in, and as you can see, I already have a project that I did because I tried this one. I already tried Base 44 also, that is a software similar to this one, but I prefer Lovable for its features and all the, and I just found it Lovable more easier to use. So basically, on the left hand side, we have the home page. So here we have, so you can just here have you have the prompt. You can build with a prompt. You can take screenshots. You can add connectors. You can attach some images or some files, and you can choose a term. So how basically your app will look like. Here we have a button that's called chat. So basically here we can talk to the AI bot inside Lovable. And so, for example, if I don't know how to prompt correctly a uh, a com for example, if I want to prompt a feature but I don't know exactly how to ask Lovable to do, I can come here and put the chat in. I can use the chat button. So here right now, um, if I if I write something, it's not gonna change the app in itself. It's just gonna be like if I was talking to ChatGPT. And so if I want to make a change, I can just unselect that, and that's fine. So here we have the voice prompt, so I can talk if I don't want to write the prompt, and that can be really handy, especially when the prompts are really detailed and it can get pretty long. So that's that. And here we have our project. We have the templates if we don't want to start from scratch. Then we have the search if you have a lot of project and you want to search, or if you want to search a specific template. Again, here we have the project, we have the start if we have some favorite one. We can share our project with some people if, for example, we have some team members that are working on the project with us. We can have the discover that it's like the template, and we have a learn section, so a mini academy to learn, and we have some documentation as well. And here we can share if this is an affiliate program, and we can upgrade here. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you basically what I did. So here is the project that I started. And so as you can see, I was playing around before that, but we're gonna see what the final stage looks like. So I'm just gonna, the app is not really ready yet. all the functionality. But as you can see, is really the front end is really, I think, is beautiful, and it took me really like 2 minutes to do with simple prompts. And as you can see here, we can already log in. So once I'm logged in here, as you can see, we have like the core idea of the SaaS here of the app. So the core idea of the app right here is really to have, it's just a task management tool. So really simple. But now, as you can see, the back end of this page is not ready yet. So just have the front end, but this is what it will look like, and I'm gonna show you how we can add some backend feature of this page. So basically, let's take a look at how I did that. So first of all, this is the original prompt. So I asked build a clean modern SaaS landing page for remote team task tracker. The tool help team assign, manage, track task, key feature, real-time updates, team progress like integration, recurring task automation, and time zone friendly scheduling. And so here the headline here, the subheadline, the visual, the section, and then that was the Lovable response. So each time you ask it to do something, uh, it's gonna it's gonna do it, but it's gonna reveal the steps, and you can always go through all the steps. And you can see here we have the code section. So if you are a developer and you know how to read code, you have all the code here. If you want to export the code, you have to upgrade to Pro, and you have to pay for it. But you can have a pretty solid idea of how the thing works underneath it, and then you can always change thing on the fly. And yeah, so basically, once I ask it to build the app, then I ask it to build the backend of the app. So basically, in the beginning, there was all just like this page, and I was not able to create an account and to have access to the dashboard. So then I ask it to build the backend, and so then it asked me to, if everything here was good for me, and I pressed allow. Then they asked me if there was some authentication feature. So I said yes. So I said to allow. Then here we can always go in the preview version. We can also see the specific code of the changes, so we don't have to manually go see what was added or removed. Then I ask it to build the dashboard and the backend with some features. And then here, as always, it's gonna dictate what it's doing in real time and show you exactly what changes occurred. And then I ask it to build a dashboard feature. And right now, because we have the dashboard feature, what I can do is I'm gonna sign in with one of my account, and here, so here I'm gonna ask it. So as you can see, the AI will try to guess the next step that or suggest some next step that I can add on. So I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna ask it to do it, and we're gonna wait a few seconds. So as you can see, when it's doing it, we can see all the changes, and here too. So I'm just gonna try again. Okay, I'm logged in. Gonna try again. Okay, I got an error here. Gonna see how we can fix that. Okay, now we're gonna add another feature. Right. So yeah, basically every time that you want to change something, you just have to prompt it here. And as I said in the beginning, if you don't know how to do it, you can just ask the chat here. It's not gonna cost you more credits, and so that's how you can do the change on the fly. And the cool thing about this tool is that because everything is on the same platform, the AI has all the information and has all the context, so it's gonna give you more accurate uh, responses rather than if you try to do it, for example, with Cloud or ChatGPT, which is some snippet of code each time. So that was all of that's that. So that was just a quick walkthrough of Lovable, and uh, so this was a just quick introduction of Lovable, and you can try it for yourself. And I see you in the next one.